Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I knew I needed to reinforce the corner on this casting, but when I first set out to do that, I got my tubes of JB Weld out of the cabinet and mixed it up and started trying to do the repairs. Well, turns out that the JB Weld has aged out on me. It's only about 20 years old, so I can't understand why it went bad, but it's no longer functional. So now I have to go through another process and use a different method. Find out what went wrong later. I'm using Loctite 5-minute epoxy. I got this for fixing plane handles. You know, the tote, because quite often they get broken and then I have to repair them to make the plane usable again. So now I just have to let it sit. I've got a light on it to make it heat up a little bit and set faster. It's 5-minute epoxy. It's starting to set up already. Let this sit here and cure out, and then I'll be able to put that tank on this afternoon. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.